glass of my Epson V700 is really dirty. It looks like something evaporated inside and accumulated on the underside of the glass. And today I will try to clean it. By the way, if this kind of videos are helping you and if you want to help back, support back, please click on this button, and you can also click on this bell button if you want to get notifications. And if you share this kind of videos in forums, if you are into forums, so if you share, and people may also benefit, and you may also support me, because as an individual I really need support, your support, because I am alone, who else can support me? You. Alright, so yeah, as I said, there's something fishy going on, and let me try to show it. Maybe you can see the middle bar, you can definitely see. The rest is a bit hard to see with the camera, but as I can say, there is like really it feels like you cooked something inside, and then the fumes are accumulated on the underside. And I have another video. I took this apart almost completely. The carriage was out, the motor was out, and the other things, the main board was out, this kind of things. The CCD was out. And if you want to see that video, you can also check that. And what I was trying to say, that what I'm suspicious, this carriage has a PCB behind it, and there was solder flux residue on it. What I am guessing is, when the thing gets hot, this flux residue becomes fume again, and it condensates on the glass on the underside, because the glass is relatively cooler because of it. Because yeah, you know it. While the water, the steam condensates on the glass, like that water, it condensates on the thing. That's what I'm guessing, the solder residue. So this is the reason that I have another video, partly that I'm taking it apart and cleaning the solder residue. So you can also check that. By the way, because I was working on this, I already take this top plate off, and you can check that video, but it's very straightforward. First you take this off, and if you unplug it, it will just come off. That easy. Top part. And this plate has 4 screws which are covered by this caps. And these caps have a notch like this, and that notch points the rear of these arrows. So the notch is here. So when these are down, you can go with a teeny screwdriver. You can hammer it actually a bit to go a bit deeper, and then you can pry it off like this. And yeah, and then you have 4 screws which are like this with an integrated washer. You take them off, and then you can reach what's underneath. When you look at it like this, you can't see much, but as you can see, it's actually very dirty if you look at with the right light. And to clean it, I will be using something called drag clean, and I forget the real name. It's something called like drag. But you will see when I do it, you will understand it better. So what I will be doing, I will be using some sort of paper. I will be using special paper, lens cleaning, optical cleaning paper. But just to demonstrate, the toilet paper here, and you will drop your solvent, whatever solvent you are using, on the leading edge of the thing that you are dragging, and then you will drag on the surface of the thing that you are cleaning. So that's why it's called drag clean, like drag queen. So yeah. And I won't take the glass from the frame because it's already double-sided, and I don't need to, but I will be taking these off, these two, because they will be on my way, I think, and I don't really mind the top and bottom is a bit dirty. I can still clean them with my hand. I don't mind. So yeah, as I said, I will take them, and I'll be using black brake cleaner, and you can use also acetone. What I will recommend is something that has no water inside and something that doesn't absorb moisture from the air. This is the reason I stopped using isopropyl alcohol, because even if you get 100% alcohol, it gets moisture from the air. Even if it's 90% alcohol, the 10% water, you see the droplets when you clean something, so it's not nice. So yeah, as I said, I will use brake clean, optical paper, and yeah, let's see. I realize that there is an invisible barrier, so on the top part it is very smooth, and even though there is no solvent left on this, it slides here very easy, but around here it becomes draggy. There is like an invisible barrier. You can even hear it from the changing sound. So around here on the halfway there is something going on, and I will change the solvent because I'm thinking this is vapor, the paste, the soldered paste vapor. I think that the thinner can dissolve it. I will try. I'm a bit scared because there can be a coating on the glass. I may damage the coating, but whatever has happened to the glass, I need to clean it. So let's see. Whatever the residue here, I have no idea. It took a bit of time to clean. After the paint thinner, I tried hydrogen peroxide and also isopropyl alcohol. Maybe they all gradually cleaned it. I have no idea, but it doesn't feel... I can feel the... barely maybe feel the difference, but not like before. So I'm okay with that. And while you use the paint thinner, be careful, because of course while you try to clean it, it smears on your fingers. But the bigger problem is when you touch the plastic parts. Maybe I can show it to you. It will damage it. And as you can see my fingerprint here. Because I touched it, the paint thinner immediately damaged it. Alright, now I think I'm ready. Now I will do the drag cleaning thing that I said in the beginning of the video. Now I compare two scans I made. This is a previous scan which I made before cleaning the glass, and this is a scan I just made now. The only difference is the glass, the cleanness of the glass. The other settings, everything, the DPI, everything is the same. And the difference is amazing. The camera isn't able to show the difference, but the contrast difference is amazing. With this one you can clearly see the layer of dirt. There is a complete layer all over the image which lowers the contrast amazingly. I shot a picture. Maybe with that one you can see better, but video you can understand 10% of it even. It's just this looks okay, but this looks with the camera as crazy high contrast. The camera is adding its own contrast, unfortunately. And yeah, I call it a success, and we weren't able to realize how much it is affecting the image quality, because when you look at it, when you just straight look at the glass, it wasn't showing much, even though, as you can see, as you saw in the video, it was crazy dirty. And yeah, and if you are interested in the other video, you can also check that, which I took it apart almost completely and put it back together. I will also upload it. And if you have questions, please leave it in the below section, also comments, recommendations. And if this video helped you, and if you want to help back, support, please click on the subscribe button, and you can also click on this bell button if you want notifications. And if you are a part of some forums about this kind of topics, please, I will be very happy if you can share my videos in your forums, so I can get more support. Not just me, actually, just share everybody's videos if you benefit from them. And yeah, that's it, I guess, for tonight. And as always, thanks for watching.